Okay. So under this condition, what will be the strategy to control the accident chance?
That's whatever energy sources like thermal, electrical, or mechanical, all the sources of energies the need to be controlled. Like the isolations part, there will be multiple layers for controlling that things like proper isolations and engineering control mechanism. So all those things are is already there. So you have to, one part is to ensure that the system, whatever is installed, it is healthy, it is being maintained, so that they work and function properly during its work, and uh, through audit and inspection, need to ensure that there's all these control mechanisms or layers are in place. And for the human part, how to use those systems, the capability building training part. So all these things, and how to use those sources like SOPs, these all those things need to be there, sir, that you need to ensure that.
Okay, thank you, Pritish. Now, Akash, what is your impression about this energy release theory in your plant? Okay, maybe he has some problem. Anand,
Yes,
any
sir.
such,
Actually,
any
yeah, yeah.
experience? Uh,
Though we have got a lot of engineering controls in place,
hmm,
we have a Lotto system. We have a proper isolation in place at all the places. However,
hmm,
sometimes the energy release in the form of flashover occurs because of maybe some human errors, or maybe sometimes it is a system errors. So that type of energy release happens. Uh, However, there are no other examples like mechanical energy release or maybe chemical energy release. There are no such examples except electrical energy release. Yeah.
hmm.
Sir, actually, actually, as my background is purely EPC based projects, so I have seen during pre-commissioning, commissioning energy release, and also mechanical energy, like we have put some that chain pulley block. So if anything goes wrong, this mechanical failure may happen. So if the person is came in the contact with the line of fire, so it also happens.
Okay. So what is your suggestion?
A suggestion is, sir, stick with the procedure, and the person awareness should be given in electrical and mechanical energy resources, and all the precaution measure as per the SOP and guidelines to be enforced.
Okay. Now you have the HERA. Does the HERA satisfy this problem?
No, actually, sir, HERA is the advanced part, because first of all, we have to go to the method statement or the standard operating procedure, and based on the method statement and standard operating procedure, we prepare the HERA with detailed analysis and put the control measures.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shomir, your observation?
Yes, sir. So this theory is very much applicable to the incidents, whatever is happening across industries, and stored potential energy is many times it is looked after, because people mainly focus on the electrical isolation or the electrical energy, but stored potential energy is uh, looked after many times, and it may result into the incidents. Couple of example I want to give. One is the related to the belt conveyors, where there is a jamming of the belt conveyors, and
Correct.
it is because of the overloading. The belt
Hmm.
conveyor comes into the tension, and it is a classical example of the stored energy. Once the material or the jammed material is released, belt will come into its normal position, and at that time it releases the stored potential energy. Another example is the fluid coupling, where the fluid coupling is having fluid or the oil, and because of the jamming of the conveyor or the jamming of the elevators, it is also that fluid get expanded because of the heat, and releases the energy because of the overloading or the heating. So these are the examples, but to tackle this we should focus on the lockout and takeout procedures, where the all the isolations, including electrical and the mechanical isolations, should be considered. The example of the yesterday we were discussing on the this Bhopal incident, where also there is a the stored energy was looked after, where the focus was given on the only on the isolation valves, and the slip line was not installed, and which has resulted into the mixing of uh, the water into the water reactive chemicals, and which has resulted into the disasters. So this theory is very much applicable to the all the incidents across, and we should focus on the all types of isolation, including electrical and mechanical isolation, to avoid such kind of incidents. Thank you, sir.
Hmm. And very nicely you have told. Shejal, can you share?
Sir, every form of equipment has its own energy which is stored, and sometimes it gets dissipated if not controlled properly. Therefore, some barriers are needed to control it, like different form of energy, mechanical, kinetic energy. It can be released if they are not being able to suppress it or control its flow. Then, in safety systems, whatever happens is due to the barriers which are present to suppress the flow of this energy, so that some uncontrollable uh, dissipation does not occur.
Okay. Any other observation? Yogesh?
Yes, sir. So, actually, I'm thinking I am in trends. I will try to put my interest. So, in my point of view, during the electrical testing activity, mostly we are using a dead band switch like dead band switch type engineering control. So, which can prevent during the applying the voltage for testing. So
Okay, so
basically,
you all are suggesting that this energy release theory may be
so by
applicable for the safety audit system also. Okay. Obiji said, do you want to add something?
Actually, अगर देखेंगे इससे this is one of the basic thing which causes incidents, big incidents in industries, and that is why the loto we talk about, we have brought in not loto matlab to further ensure that energy has been isolated properly. Trial, we try out that it has been correctly isolated.
Okay.
Suppose I tell you like this, a breaker has been isolated from electrical side. To ensure that the correct breaker has been, by mistake, it may so happen a wrong breaker has been isolated. So there is a normal practice in our system to to try to make it on and see that it is not getting switched on. So that proves that we have isolated the correct equipment. There's the tryout, lockout, tag out, then tryout.
Yeah, when we visited the Baripada plant TPN ODL, most of the workers, they are telling this issue, particularly the electrical side, the insulation part. Therefore, it appears to me that if we can add this theory in the safety audit, then we may get some interesting results. So now I am requesting all of you, please read another note where you can find out the scale. So please you read the item and write the rating part. So initially we can go to this energy release in safety management scale, ERS-MS 25. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
So,
But sir, there are different sections like mechanical energy, electrical energy, human energy. In case, I guess five questions are there. So,
yeah,
sir, rating has to be given based on our plant's experience or conditions or what?
based upon your plant, so that you can study it properly. And there is a response scale is there. 1 means strongly disagree, 2 means disagree, 3 is the neither agree nor disagree, 4 is agree, and 5 is strongly agree. So the rating scale also there. So I am requesting all of you, please read the statements and rate. 25 items are there. So you can write down one after that specific agreement. If it is one, then it is fine, or the two, like that. Machines are properly guarded to prevent sudden mechanical energy release.
Is it uploaded in Google Classroom?
Yeah, it is in Google Classroom. So from the
Okay.
Google Classroom, you can get it.
Okay.
I do not have the time. Otherwise, I can make it Google form. So you will get the 10 minutes time for the rating. Hello, Sudipta, any problem?
Your voice is not clear.
It is done. Anand, complete?
Yes, sir, I have completed. Yes.
Oh, good. Akash, how many items left?
Sir, I have done.
Prithvish completed. Very good.
I have also completed.
Jogesh, you have completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We can start discussing.
Shomir?
Completed, sir.
Sir, actually, I am joining through my phone, so I cannot edit. But yes, we can discuss. I read all these things.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So now you add the first five. Whatever the ratings you have, you add the first five. So that indicates the mechanical energy. 1 to 5. And next is the electrical energy. Add your ratings from 6 to 10. Similarly, the human energy 11 to 15. And chemical and thermal energy 16 to 20. And organizational or system 21 to 25. That is the addition.
Sir,
Least number in the
which
human
one?
energy.
Which one?
Human energy.
Human energy, that is from 11 to 15.
That is the lowest number I'm getting.
Okay. Now from 16 to 20.
Mostly 20 to 25 आ रहा है सबका. All human energy is coming 18.
सबका ये एडिशन करने के बाद क्या करना है सर?
एडिशन हो गया?
हाँ सर, मतलब फॉर each एनर्जी.
Okay. Now, do you have the MS Excel in your laptop?
एक्सेल शीट ना? यस.
So in Excel sheet, the columns will be the energies. and the row will be the individual.
My total score has come to 84%.
How can you calculate 84%?
Total numbers scored versus total marks out of 5. Total 25 into 5 is 125. I have got a score of 105, so that makes 84%.
Okay, now if you want to do the percentage, then you have to think about more than 3 and less than 3. This will be the categorical data.
Okay. मेरा 3 का नीचे
So,
कुछ है नहीं. 3 का नीचे कुछ है नहीं.
3 above, that means positive, and 3 below is the negative. Positive rating and negative rating. We will not accept the 3. Or we can go for the mean. Hello, Smita. Hello, Smita.
Hello,
Can you help me?
sir.
Because the data is available. We want to put the data.
Sir, actually, I haven't returned home from Bardhaman yet.
Oh God.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
ঠিক আছে, ছেড়ে দাও। কার কাছে ল্যাপটপ আছে? Any laptop do you have?
Yes, sir. I'm there with the laptop.
Okay, Prithvish, thank you. So, can you? I am making you host. Now, please share the screen.
स्क्रीन शेयर हुआ क्या?
হ্যাঁ, no, the energies will be in column. So first one will be the mechanical energy, second one will be the electrical energy,
कॉपी ट्रांसपोज करो, फटाक से हो जाएगा. कॉपी पेस्ट ट्रांसपोज.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you no. In a column will be the individual. Individual name will be there, and the plant name.
Plant name.
Next will be the B. Second column will be no. Do not write there. Then in the B insert there you can write down the plant name. Huldia. Okay. Now you put the mechanical energy data 21. Electrical energy is 23, 20, 25, 21.
Okay.
Okay. Now other person. Anand.
Yeah. Mechanical is 17.
Anand. Anand. Plant name?
Plant name Trombe.
Trombe.
Yeah.
Mechanical energy 17. Okay.
17. Then electrical 24. Human energy 16. Chemical thermal 24. Then organizational energy is 19. Yes.
Who is next?
Samir.
Sir, बोलिए.
23, 24, 20, 23, 24.
Next और कौन है?
मेरा लिखो. 21, 22, 18, 22, 22.
सर आपका ट्रॉम्बे लिखूं?
जो मर्जी लिखो.
नहीं सर का डाटा के लिए कुछ आई डोंट नो.
आप तो मैंने जनरल बोला. दिस माय जनरल ओपिनियन. इज अ मैंने कॉम्बिनेशन from my experience.
Okay, so from my one, Yogesh
Political
Patel.
answer. Political answer, एकदम.
बोलिए सर बोलिए.
Yes, for electrical 2022. For electrical 21. Human 16. Chemical 23.
20.
23.
Okay.
And organizational 22.
Okay. सजल आपका और कौन है?
अच्छा जोगेश का प्लान नेम क्या है?
आनंद देखोगे मेरा नंबर एवरेज आएगा. सबका एवरेज मेरा नंबर आएगा. देखोगे.
हाँ देखते हैं अभी.
Hello.
लेकिन माइंड में क्या था आपके? प्लांट कौन सा था? इट इज एवरेज और इट इज
प्लांट
सम?
ना दिस इज एवरेज बिकॉज चारों
Average है,
तरफ जो
okay.
देखते हैं, हाँ, इन टर्म्स
Okay.
ऑफ कहीं पे ये मिस होता है, कहीं पे ये जो जनरली मिस होता है वो कम नंबर दिया, ऐसा करके क्या?
Okay. Okay.
Write PPGCL, not Jojo Vera.
क्या बोली?
हेलो।
योगेश जी, आपका कौन सा प्लांट है योगेश जी?
जोगेश का सिविल देखो, सिविल एंड एस्टेट, सिविल।
सिविल एंड एस्टेट।
ठीक है, ठीक
सर
है।
मेरा जोजो बेरा लिख दीजिए।
हमारा ओके।
तुम जोजोबेरा कब गया?
गई हूँ सर मैं ऑडिट के टाइम पे। PH
अच्छा,
6
उसी टाइम
जोजो
पे गया
बेरा।
था।
हाँ।
ठीक है, चलो।
ठीक है,
यस।
बोलो बोलो।
यस सर। जोजो बेरा मैकेनिकल एनर्जी 21,
हम्म।
इलेक्ट्रिकल 20, ह्यूमन एनर्जी 22, केमिकल एनर्जी 22 एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल क्या लिखा था मैंने? एक मिनट, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल 23 सर।
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन 23, ठीक है।
Mechanical 18 and electrical 22 and human energy is 19. Chemical is 21 and organization is 23.
और कोई है? छूट?
Ajay, now you put this data to Jamovi.
हाँ सर, इसमें सर अभी जाऊँ भी नहीं है सर मेरे पास अभी, ये कंपनी का
अच्छा
लैपटॉप।
अच्छा। Oh, okay, okay.
Sir, can I help you?
You can give this data to Farah and Farah will present through Jamovi.
ओके सर, तो इसको कैसे दूं सर? मेल कर दूं?
ग्रुप में पेस्ट कर दीजिए सर, एक्सेल फाइल ग्रुप में दे दीजिए, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में।
इसमें से व्हाट्सएप में भी तो देना मुश्किल है। ठीक है, मैं मेल में लेता हूँ, मेल में लेके देता हूँ।
मैंने अपलोड किया है जामोवी में. ओनली थिंग इज दैट नाउ आई एम जॉइनिंग फ्रॉम मोबाइल एंड डेटा इज अवेलेबल. If you see, take 1 second. I have can you see my screen?
No, sir.
1
Only your
second.
face is coming.
Okay.
सर कॅमेरा ऑन केलाय तुम्ही?
हाँ, कैमरा में मुझे वो I wanted to show that Excel sheet where I have opened the Jamovi in my laptop.
हाँ सर,
हाँ,
जामोवी वाला स्क्रीन आप दिखा दीजिए।
yeah. 1 second. I'm not able to that reverse the camera.
सर camera flip button would be there in top right.
Okay. Where is that? Okay. Yeah, but okay. So, sir, this is
Visible.
the
Visible
sheet.
sir.
Now it is visible now. Now this is a Jamovi. Okay. But you won't be able to see the entire screen actually.
Oh, sir, why,
ग्रुप में
sir?
डाल दिया
Okay.
मैडम।
आ गया ना? Okay. Yeah, you sent it, Pritish?
हाँ, मैं व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर कर दिया एक्सेल शीट।
Okay.
Right, sir. Please make me host. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, please make me host.
I am not the host. Prithish is host.
Pritish, sir, please make me host.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Now you please follow what Farah is doing. Farah is converting the data from nominal to continuous.
How you have imported this data from the Excel sheet?
Sir, it's very simple. These three lines, can you see these three lines? You just
Yeah,
have
okay.
to click on that,
Okay.
open, then
Okay.
browse, then wherever the file is, you can
Okay.
click
Okay.
on it. But
Okay.
only CSV files, Java we accept only CSV files.
Okay.
Right, sir? Is it okay?
Correct.
The plant is not there.
No, plant is
Plant is not required, right?
split by. Plant is split by. Acha, you unclick missing N mean, unclick the N. Mean standard deviation will be there. Why you do not have the data, the standard deviation?
So it is there. This is a standard deviation, civil.
No, it is written NaN.
Right?
Plan nominal. But standard deviation is NaN. Why?
It is coming nano only. Mean is coming, but standard deviation is not coming.
It's not clear.
So I don't know. Yeah, it is not coming. Sir, can you see now? It is coming now.
Oh,
Acha, because I have not clicked plan. अभी
Hmm?
प्लान नहीं नहीं प्लांट का आ ही नहीं रहा है स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन सिर्फ ट्रम्बे का आ रहा है बाकी किसी का नहीं आ रहा है
No,
क्या
you do
कुछ
not take the plant. Plant is the split by.
हाँ
Plant is
स्प्लिट
the
बाय
split by.
यस आई
But
हैव
my
टेकन
point, that is the standard deviation for the mechanical energy, electrical energy, where will it put?
why it is not coming out only transaction is coming.
Ajay, you go to the art studio.
Okay.
R.
हाँ
Now you write down
लाइब्रेरी
library psych. Then enter.
डिस्क्राइब
Then you write down describe bracket psych, sorry, data box bracket 2:.
then so 2:7
2:7. How many columns are there? Mechanical, electrical, human. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2:. As a plant name, that is in A1. No?
so that is name first name
No,
then
no. This library psych you have written. No? After that, you enter.
okay
Instead of describe, you write down names. Bracket
okay
data. Names. NEMS. Bracket data. Now you run. Here you can find out the position. That is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 to 7. Now you write down describe data box bracket 3:7. Box bracket close. You run. Go below.
same thing is coming 2.15 1.50 Jamovi was showing the same thing
But we are getting at that time nan. Na? What is the
because then
meaning?
split by may you have added plant so when you do not add plant you will get the standard deviation you have not added in the RJ editor also plant column you have started from third to 7
Yeah, okay. Now you write down lower code. Bracket data box bracket 3:7. Run the data. Can anybody interpret this data? Anand, can you interpret the data?
Yeah, data between 3 to 7 and 1 below, I think it is below 1 or maybe I think below 3 it is to be not to be taken. And above 7 ऐसा है क्या? I don't know. Maybe. Describe data lower. अच्छा, lower range is 7. Okay. As per this formula, lower range is 7. And no, sir, I'm not able to interpret this.
Yeah, the result shows that the human, that is HE, that is highly correlated with the organizational or system energy. Your mechanical is negatively correlated with the electrical energy. What based upon your data, whatever you have told, based upon that.
Yeah, sorry. I was actually not looking at this table. Actually, I was looking at the formula only. So just okay. On the right hand side, there is a formula. Okay. Sorry.
Huh.
This. Yeah. I was looking at the expressions only. That is the formulas. Okay. This is a table available. No, after this.
Yeah. This is the
Okay.
correlation structure.
This is the correlation. Okay. Now let me try. Okay.
Hmm.
So first one, mechanical, electrical. So wherever it is a skewness negative, and the kurtosis negative also, maybe mm, uh, data is lying on the left hand side. It is lower than the median actually. Maximum to minimum range is 17 to 19, maximum 23 to 24 range. Sorry, sir, you can go ahead. So not able to interpret this also.
This is I find that this is the correlation of one to other. Say mechanical to mechanical, it would be 1. Just electrical to electrical would be 1. Then this, I think, thermal. I don't know HE. What is that? HE is human energy. This is 1. Chemical is 1, and organization to organ is the 1. And now with the others, electrical energy is mechanical energy negatively correlated by -0.2. Human energy to mechanical energy 0.35. Human energy to electrical energy -0.27. But actually, how do I interpret this? I understand this, but how to interpret the physical significance?
Yes.
Because there is
No.
mechanical to electrical, how do correlate?
Okay. Therefore, we have to add another variable. Okay. Based upon that. Acha, Phara, you go to the data. So, can you rate that is the probability of accident from the 1 to 5 scale? So we can make one new variable. Okay, Phara, add one new variable. Yeah, so first is Prithvish. Prithvish, now you tell me from 1 to 5.
It was 5 was strongly agree, na? Okay.
Probability of accident
Probability of accident in the plant.
in the plant.
Of having accident or not having accident?
No. What is the probability? What is his assumption?
It's a number.
It's a number.
So people will say 5, 10, like that.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it should
Chances
be
of
from 1
accidents
to 5.
we cannot say no, because here neither 1, 2, 3 not possible. Agree, or either 4 or 5. So I can give 4.
And
Okay.
4 means it's a highly probable. It should be
हाँ,
1 or 2. 1 or 2.
नहीं यहाँ पे
Is there
one में तो strongly disagree बोल रहा है.
No, it's a not disagree. Probability 5 is maximum possible and 1 is least possible.
One is strongly disagree, and the 5 is the strongly agree.
So small, if you are giving 5, that means every day you will have accident.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं, मतलब एक्सीडेंट हो ही नहीं सकता, ऐसा ऐसा मतलब
No.
कहना है।
Probability of accident मतलब high. 5 मतलब it's highly probable for having accident on daily basis.
मतलब कभी भी कोई भी काम करने जाएगा तो एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा, ऐसा
Accident हो जाएगा, हाँ, that is 5. One
okay,
is
that
minimum.
Okay. So that will be 1.
Okay. Now, who is the next person?
सब लोग 1 ही देगा. It is the general perception 1 ही देगा.
Sir, you are guiding. Then how can I
Guiding
get the
correct,
analysis?
no, because I'm saying हमारा एक्सीडेंट कितना होता है साल में? सब प्लांट मिलके हार्डली 1 से 2 होता है. टोटल इतना सारा 10 प्लांट है, वी हैव 10 प्लांट्स, उसमें हार्डली साल में 1 या 2 होता है. Out of so many lakhs of jobs, probability rate is very less. But we are saying we want zero harm.
So if
Zero
I
achieve
tell
करना
it
मुश्किल हो रहा है.
safety, if I tell it safety, then is it possible? Then whether
that is why probability of not having accident. That's what I was saying, trying to understand. But वो भी 4-5 ही होगा. 4-5 अगर न्यूमेरिक होगा 4 and 5 ही होगा.
So Prithvish, now you rate.
Probability of safety अगर बोलता है तो it's not खाली incident नहीं है. Probability of safety, so people will give 4 and 5.
Sir, you are guiding.
ना जो ट्रूथ है तो ट्रूथ है.
If you guide, then
आनंद मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ क्या बताओ? आनंद इज इम्पार्शियल, वो तो हमारा कोऑर्डिनेटर है ना, वो किसी को बात सुनेगा नहीं.
हाँ सर.
क्या आना चाहिए? सुना कि नहीं सुना मैं क्या बोला पहले? क्या होने वाला है? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सेफ्टी कैसा होगा, कितना होगा?
आपने सही बोला, वही आएगा मोस्टली, क्योंकि जैसे
दिस इज द जनरल परसेप्शन हमको जो लग रहा है.
very minimum in our case, 1 in maybe 0.1% in 1 lakh activities, वो तो कम ही आएगा.
Okay, Fada, now we have to think another way. You click the computed variable.
Yeah, I'm deleting the problem.
No, you remove this probability of safety. You write down total score.
Okay.
You write down total. And then you click the effects. Now you click the sum, equal to sum. Bracket is the mechanical, comma, electrical, human, chemical, organizational. Okay, now you enter. Okay, that is good. Now you go to the analysis. No, not the RJ editor. You go to analysis. And not the descriptives. You click the analysis and then the regression. Then correlation matrix. Now you select the up to total score. So the result shows mechanical energy and the fatigue, stress and attention, these two variables, they are contributing high. Energy release. Okay. Only two variables are there. Maximum is the mechanical energy and next is the human energy. These two variables are, another one is the organizational system energy, 0.628. So three variables are there. For the energy release. Okay. So this is the correlation matrix, and based upon the correlation matrix, you can discuss the result.
No, problem we cannot. I'm not able to understand this. How to use this data for practical purposes?
So you have to think about the mechanical energy items, and next is the human energy items, and next is the organizational or system energy items. So if you go for the items instead of the sum, then we can identify. So three variables are there. Okay, Farah, now you go to the exploration.
Okay. Descriptives, right?
Descriptives. Even the total score. It is written variables. No. It is written, not the RG editor.
So this is so this is descriptive, sir. Below that RG editor, this is the result.
Okay. Now you go to the, oh God.
So grand mean.
No. You go to the Windows.
Okay.
It is written descriptives variables across columns. Okay. Now you change it. Variable across rows. Okay. Now you do the correlation.
Okay, sir.
Yes, now it has meaning. Now it has meaning.
That was in descriptive. This is descriptive, sir. So here it is, the option is there, variable across rows. But in correlation, this kind of option is not there. Can I see the plots? But they will not understand the plot. Plot they will not understand.
ये correlation का कोई मतलब नहीं है इधर. डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज में कोरिलेशन का कोई मतलब नहीं है. दिस इज व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड. हाँ, बट वो जो अभी जो किया ना, that has meaning, but because this is a perception. I don't know whether we can also find out the probability also. Probability of having mechanical energy, electrical energy for each and one probability. Can we compute probability of each one?
So when you read we have given you items in each of the questionnaire, or which is called mechanicals. Like mechanical, there are some items given, right? On the basis of that, you have given rating.
So I'm saying now, can we have a probability? Because mean we have got 20.4. Now there is a collection of numbers. अच्छा, detail नहीं है proper. But फिर भी we have all the participants have given their scores now. So based on that, can we have a probability? No.
The probability that then it is like you are telling us one or two, something like that.
No. I just want to see the number, how it comes.
No, Farah.
Yeah.
Farah, you go
Yes,
to the, you go for the histogram and density plot. You go for the histogram.
Normal test.
And the density plot. And you check whether it is row or variable.
This is coming 2.15. Yes, sir. It is coming rows wise only. If I change, suppose, column, yes, it is coming row wise also.
Variables across rows.
Row
No,
wise
variables. Variables across rows, then we cannot identify the individual.
Okay, so you want to identify that. फिर columns कर दूं, sir?
हाँ, columns कर दीजिए, columns कर दीजिए.
Can you see?
This is the electrical energy. Achha, in case of the mechanical energy, some data lies at 16 and 18. So who has given the 16 and 18? Akash. PPGCL mechanical energy and Trombe, Anand. Okay, Anand and Akash, you both can tell us about why are you giving the very low score in comparison with the mean.
17 for the mechanical, because a lot of places mechanical interlocks are not there, and also mechanical isolation is also not done many times. It is only electrical isolation is done. So assuming that electrical isolation will work, so like locking of the walls while in maintenance, or locking of the this pipe interconnections, so that is not done many times.
Okay. So you please write it. Then that will be better to understand. Akash, in your case?
Sir, actually, there is a FGD project is running where mechanical activities are in peak, and even pre-commissioning and commissioning activities are also going on. So in mechanical perspective, so many loads which are being lifted on daily basis, so many TNP, chain pulley blocks, slings are in load tension. So that is why I have put in low.
Okay. So you please write it. And next is the
अच्छा
human.
उज्ज्वल का डेटा नहीं है ना इसमें?
No.
Ujjwal and Akash would be similar type.
Okay, and next the variable
Ujjwal, have you
is
done the exercise?
human. Whether Ujjwal is joined, I'm not sure.
Is it join तो किया है?
Sir, I haven't done it yet because I have seen the message in the evening and I was at the site. Anyhow, I will do it now.
ठीक है. Actually, we wanted to understand how the data is coming.
Okay, I think next variable is human.
Say electrical. Least
No,
is
no. In case electrical is not correlated.
अच्छा, okay. A correlation वाले.
We have to follow the correlation.
Okay.
If the correlation with the total score high, then we will consider that variable.
Sure.
So this is the human energy, fatigue, stress, and attention. That is the 16 and 16, 18. What is the mean? Mean is 20, no. What
So
is that?
18.7
18.7.
and
So
2.2.
below 18.7 were the people who have given the below 18.7.
The Yogesh and say, sorry,
Sejal.
Yogesh. Sejal is higher, sir, 22. The Anand sir and Yogesh. 16.
Okay. So Anand sir and Jogesh, so please do explain why the human system, human energy.
Yes,
Yeah, Yogesh, you
Anand
continue.
sir, yes.
Okay.
You can go
Yes,
for
sir.
the
So,
questionnaire rating, and there you will find out where you have given the lower score, which item.
so in my perspective, the person is involving a lot of for a long duration of work. So there is a maximum chances of the fatigue, and uh, due to some family or any other work related stress is there, mental stress is there, and sometimes people are thinking like behavioral risk and rest related stress.
Jogesh. Okay, Jogesh.
Yes.
Now you follow me. Huh? This first
Okay.
item is work schedules prevent exercise physical fatigue. What is your rating?
For that, I have given 3 ratings.
3. Okay. Next one is the mental stress at work does not lead to unsafe action.
For that, I have given 4.
Okay. Workers remain alert while performing risky tasks.
This is also 3, sir. Below, all are 3, sir.
Rest breaks help control loss of human energy.
It is also 3, sir.
Are human errors due to exertion or actively prevented?
I think this is also 3.
Okay, so our goal will be more than 3. Therefore, what will be your suggestion?
Yes, right.
Sir, can I try? Because on question number 12 and question number 3, my score is low. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, sir, can I try?
Yes, yes. Anybody can try. Anybody can
Yeah,
discuss the
yeah.
issue.
Yeah, in my case, question number 12 and question number 13, that is mental stress and workman remains alert. That there I have given the low score. On question number 12, I have given 1, and the question number 13, I have given the 3 score. So mental stress at work does not lead to unsafe actions. So that there I have disagreed, because mental stress definitely really leads to the unsafe actions at site. So sessions on the mental well-being is required for the workforce, and workers remains alert while performing the task. Here I have given the low score, because many incidents happen because people are not aware of the situational uh, conditions, or situational awareness is very limited in some case. So situational awareness sessions to the workforce, that is also recommended to increase that score above 3. So these are 2 recommendations from my side.
Okay. So please you write down whatever your suggestion. Next is the organizational. What is the mean?
So it is
22.
22. 22. So sir, below 22, right?
Below 22, who said?
Below 22 is first one. First one is Pritish. Pritvish, sir. Yeah, Pritvish.
And next,
He said 19. Yeah. Anand, sir.
Anand. Okay, next.
Sir,
Oh, no
only
one
two
that.
people are there.
Only these 2. Yeah. So now I am going to the question. Okay. Pritish, are you here? Pritish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so safety rules help control dangerous energy release.
Yes, I have given it 4.
What is your rating?
4.
Okay. Supervisors intervene before energy becomes hazardous.
I have given 5. And all
Hi.
rest of the things are 4.
Then why your score is low?
There 1, 2, 3, 4. There should 21. 21 is the score set for me, organizational. So out of 5, 4 is for 4 items I have given 4 number.
Okay. So what is the mean Para?
The 22. Organizational call, yes, sir. 22.
Okay. So slight difference is there. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you go to the Anand sir.
Anand sir, can I? Yes.
Yeah,
Huh.
yeah, sir. In my case, question number 22 and 23, I have given a score of 3 because 22 supervisors intervenes before energy becomes hazardous. So here, in lot of cases or many cases, we find that whenever in the incident investigation is done, lack of supervision is one of the reason which is coming out. So supervisors interventions before energy becomes hazardous, that doesn't exist. Therefore, I have given a 3 score on this. And question number 23, which is unsafe conditions are corrected before accident occurs. There also many times this is doesn't happen because people work in the unsafe conditions. Therefore, it leads to the accident. That is also come out in one of the incident investigation, or at least in a 60 to 70% incident investigations. The unsafe conditions are also reasons for the actions. There also I have given 3. So the conditions are not corrected. Therefore, low score is given. Otherwise, other questions I have given. Question number 21, I have given 5. Safety rules. Then question number 24, safety training, I have given 4. And organizational discipline also I have given 4 because we try to do it. However, there are lapses in 22 and 23.
Okay. So you please write down what will be your suggestion and why the result is low.
Okay.
Acha, Para, now you go to the total score. Total score, what is the average?
So 106 is coming, mean is coming 106 and standard 4.7.
So 106,
Below 106, right?
below 106, is there any one?
105 is there and 104, 3. 3 people are there.
See,
So 103
no,
is
100 also there.
yeah. 100 is also. Okay. So 1,
Four
2, 3,
people,
4.
four
4
people.
people. Second one is Anand sir. 100. The lowest one is given by Anand sir.
That is the Trombay data.
Then is 103. Akash sir. Then 104 Yogesh sir, and then Indas. So Akash, Yogesh, Indas, Anand sir.
So, Anand sir, can you tell me that is why you have given very low score?
Sir, I have explained. See, in the mechanical energy, my score was 17. That I explained already. Some of the locking arrangement, even though the facility is there, it is not done. Only electrical lotto is done. Then the electrical energy, I have given 24. For the human energy, I have given 64. I have explained the reason for question number 12 and question number 3. For chemical energy and thermal energy, I have given 24. And for the organization energy, I have given 19, where low score is given on 22 and 23. That is 3 and 3. So these are the reasons for the low score.
Okay. Now, 103, Sejal.
Akash sir.
Oh, Akash.
Sir, actually, I already explained for the this mechanical energy, and others are already I have given due to the project dynamics and project scenario. As in project, all the activities in high risk. So, as per my perception and as per the system, I have given. So, like organization is supported very well. Leadership is good. So, leadership perspective is highest. 23 I have given. But as we are working multiple contractors, multiple EPC partners, So their performance is not as per the Tata Power matches. So that's why I put some little score.
Okay. Who is the next person? Civil.
Sir, Yogesh. Then Indas. Yogesh sir, then Indas.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, in my point of view, the human energy was score was low, and I have explained the human energy related.
Okay. Next.
Sir, Trumbe, Indas.
So what is the underlying reason? Trombe.
It's not Trombe. Actually, it is the human factors which are not controllable that way. Sometimes there are possibility of missing these human factors and can cause incidents. That's why.
Okay, Phada, now we can find out a rank order correlation. Okay. So is there any, you go to the regression and the correlation matrix, I think rank is not possible na here. Spearman rank order correlation.
Spearman है ना sir? Sir. Yes, sir. Spearman is there. Yeah. Okay, I'm removing Pearson now. This is a
No, we
Spearman.
have to, no.
Acha.
Acha, you go to this, another thing you have written, that is the, you have written a snow cluster. You click that one. Then hierarchical clustering. And now you select the row that is, it is written somewhere. We have to transpose the data. Is there any transposition? You go to the data. No, transpose.
No, sir. No, sir. Like, what are we doing?
Then the column will be the individual name and the row will be this. Therefore, we have to transpose the data. Achha, we can transpose through the Excel also. Huh? You go to the Excel.
Okay.
Now you select the data, copy and then transpose, paste. Yes, this thing I want. Okay, now you click the.
Sir, I'm with this. I need to save the previous file, and then I'm now opening the. Correct.
Okay. Now you click the regression. No. AB is not required, no? Name. We want only the mechanical, electrical. How are they correlated? Achha, is it possible to do the rank?
So we do it usually by this thing, RG editor.
RG editor में rank हो जाएगा ना?
हाँ हो जाएगा सर. पुरानी फाइल ही ले लेते हैं.
You take this data to and click the RG editor.
Yes, sir.
Then you write down the names bracket data. Names, NAMES. Now you run. So we want the data from
Third number. Third
from
to
3 to
8, right?
From 3 to 8.
So, sir,
You write down data 1. Data 1 equal to data box bracket, not data frame, box bracket 3 to 8. Run. Yeah. Next you write down data 1. Run. Correct. Now you write down data 2 equal to rank, RANK rank. Data 3 is to bracket data 1 data 1 में ही हो जाएगा. हाँ.
रैंक हो गया पर NANA क्या NANA आ रहा है.
वो तो टोटल स्कोर का है. No, I am telling by each individual. What is your rank data? No, this is not the rank data.
So data 2 is your rank data. This
No,
one.
you write down equal to data 2 equal to rank, not the data 1. You write down the variable name.
Okay. 3
That is data. No. You
Acha,
write
okay,
down
dollar.
data dollar. Mechanical. Mechanical energy. After that, you write down. No, nothing is required. Now you write down data 2. Now you check. No comma, nothing.
7 4 1 7 4 6 4 2. So this is coming.
Yes. Like that, we have to do the others.
The correlation one, na? Correlated one only, right?
Uh,
Or all the variables?
no, for all the variables.
Okay,
Data
okay,
3
okay.
equal to rank data dollar. Data dollar.
Yes, sir. Right. Okay, now it's so this is the result. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but why not 7? 5, 6 only coming. Okay, data 5 मैंने लिखा है. Satisfied.
First one is the mechanical. Second one electrical.
Yeah. First is mechanical, correct. Second is electrical, 5.0 wala. Human energy is data 4, 5.5 wala. Then chemical energy, and then organizational, and then total scope.
Done, na?
Done, sir.
Okay, now you make a data frame.
Okay. So I'm writing.
You write down data
energy.
8.
Energy can I write?
Acha, energy equal to data dot frame bracket. First one is the data 2.
What is happening? Object 8 is not. Okay, yeah, object 8 is not there. So here is.
Yeah, correct. Now you write down lower code.
Okay.
Bracket energy. Run. Enter.
So this is the energy.
Now, this indicates the correlation among the respondents by the variable.
Yeah. Data 2 is mechanical. So mechanical
No,
energy.
data 1, data 2, this data 2 versus data 6, and data 7 is the total. So who is that person? Who is data 2?
Data 2 is the data 2 तो हमारा mechanical का है.
No. This is the individual.
अच्छा पर्सन बताओ सर 2 नंबर पे तो
हाँ.
आनंद सर है. आनंद सर.
आनंद सर.
हाँ.
आनंद सर के साथ कोरिलेशन ज्यादा होता है डेटा 6 में.
आकाश सर का 6 में तो सेजल के साथ बताओ. 2 3
Okay.
4 5 6 yeah.
So Anand sir and Sejal in
They
the
are
same
correlated.
group. And next one is data 3 versus data 5.
Sameer sir and Yogesh sir. So Anand and Sejal. Then Sameer and oh god. ठीक है. अच्छा I cannot write. Yeah.
That is one 0.85.
नहीं थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया.
3 versus 5. Who is that person?
सर
3
डेटा में
and 5.
सर डेटा थोड़ा सा चेंज हुआ.
No, it is written. Already you have written.
But sir, now the correlation is coming little different now. It was not -6. It was something else is. Now the correct. Okay, yeah, correct code is coming. Sir, this is the correct one. Huh? So Anand sir and Sejal are in the same group. Then sir, the next one is
0.56.
okay.
Data 3 and data 5.
So Sameer sir and Yogesh. Yogesh sir. Sameer and Yogesh are coming.
Next one.
Then 4 का किसके साथ आप?
4 এর সাথে 6. না 7. 6
So
and
the
7.
6 and 7. तो 6 तो Sejal है and Akash. Sejal ma'am and Akash.
And next is the, okay, so this is the data.
2 3 4 5 6 7. सर 4th का तो आपने बताया नहीं अभिजीत सर का. 0.26.
0.26. So 26 now. This is the 0.56 and 0.75. So Abhijit sir is highly correlated with the data 6 and data 7.
Sejal and Akash. Sejal ma'am and Akash.
So in this manner, you can identify, that is, Achha, this is the rank order correlation, na? Padam?
Yes, sir. This is individual. Yeah. Rank order code.
Rank order correlation. Therefore, you can identify, that is, which respondent is related with another respondent. And based upon that, you can make some discussion.
Focus group discussion, right, sir?
Yeah. So that is the data 6 and data 7. These two is related to the data 2. Is it meaningful?
Yes.
So you are telling it is yes. That means how it can be used for your plant? Can anybody tell me?
If the scoring pattern is there, and
Because your plants are different, but your ideas are similar. So data 6 and data 7 highly correlated. Data 7 means a total score, no? No.
Data 7 is total score. Yes. Data 7 is total score.
हाँ,
तो सर 2 तो फिर पृथ्वेश सर हो गए इंडिविजुअल, राइट? क्योंकि हमारे पास इंडिविजुअल्स तो 7
ना
है.
2 7 आकाश है.
ओके. बट सर हमने 7 में डेटा डॉलर टोटल स्कोर लिया था, राइट?
Oh,
सो हमने लिया 1
no,
2.
this is the variable.
हाँ, वेरी गुड
That
सर.
is okay. Total score तो ठीक है, लेकिन डेटा 7 में तो
हाँ, ऐसे
आकाश शहर का डेटा है.
यस सर.
आकाश शहर का डेटा है.
यानी कि PPGCL and Jojobera are highly correlated. They share the similar idea. They can be.
These two, maybe they are differently located, but they have the common ideas. Okay, Vijay sir, how do you apply this model? Is it okay for your
No.
plant?
This is not usable.
This is not visible, but
No.
earlier one is visible.
हाँ.
Earlier means when I am trying to correlate with the variables,
हाँ.
not the individual.
No.
And based upon that variables, we can discuss what are the underlying reason. Okay, so instead of row, we can go for the variables. Okay, Farah?
Yes, sir. So, sir, we have discussed. So, Abhijit sir is telling that this with the average when we discussed about the plot, this normal distribution, that was relatable. So, this part is relatable to this. First correlation and then sir variables, mean and normal distribution.
Another thing that is based upon the mean, we can identify that is
Who is low?
which plants are lower with respect to the mean.
Correct.
And
So,
the correlation, that part is also important. So that we can find out that which variables are more important with the total score.
So first correlation, then mean and plot. So
No, no.
mechanical.
No. First is the mean. First is the descriptive statistics. Next is the correlation statistics.
Okay.
You can use the box whisker plot also.
हाँ बहुत 6 कलर में outliers दिख जाएगा. Okay, okay.
Histogram and density unclick. Now you can find out.
Violent था देखो. मैं नहीं समझ रही. Yes, sir.
In case of the mechanical energy, you will find out this is the mechanical energy. Huh?
Hmm.
Okay, Akash, Anand, can you tell how this analysis will be useful for your plant? Prithvi, Shomir, Ujjal, Yogesh.
Plants which have a higher band of score and the plants which are having the biggest band, there we can find out why the score is high. The reason for the higher score, or maybe there are gaps in system implementation. So between the low score and the high score, those gaps can be utilized for improving the system where the score band is good. So that is one of the method of utilizing this data. Maybe others can try any other points.
Okay, Pritish, does it useful for your organization?
Sir, question-wise understanding is useful, like getting the feedback and scoring, and what are the less score for that actions and idea can be taken. But after analyzing the data, if that feedback and data from a large number of persons, it will be helpful. Where the major gaps are there, or that can be identified. So based on the questionnaires, and understanding need to be clear to among all the persons of the team, and after that we can analyze and can conclude which are the things that need urgent actions. So in that way we can I think can use this methodology to find out and access the gap.
Okay, so if I give you this assignment, at least you collect data from 5 people who are experienced in your organization. And after that, you can calculate the mean and other things. I think that will be useful for everybody. Is it okay for collection of the data from 5 people?
Yes.
Because I have given the questionnaire, everything I have given. And now you have understood how to analyze the data. Okay, Yogesh.
Sir, can we use this data or analysis for the business associate performance management? Like every business associate is audited with this set of questionnaire, and then we can analyze who is good and who is not performing.
How do you know that is who is not performing based upon
Based on
this
the
data?
questionnaire, based on the questionnaire. Just as I'm asking, can we use this as
Uh,
we have multiple contractors?
Whether they have the clear idea about your plant, that part is important.
No, sir.
So,
We will conduct the audit with the set of
okay.
team, expert team, based on
Hmm.
the questionnaire.
Yeah, that is possible.
Yeah,
That is possible because I
yeah.
have given the questionnaire. Now you can collect the data and you can do the analysis part.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so I will give you one assignment and you can do the analysis and then interpret the data. Shabir, it is clear now? Or any question you have?
No, yes, it's clear, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I am closing the session now.
Sir, I can close. I'm the host. I'm closing, sir.